Welcome to Lakeshore RV Center. I've got a brand new 2023 Outback Ultra-lite 240URS. This little toy hauler is ready to go home with you. We have nationwide financing and delivery available. You can reach us at 231-788-2040 or see us at lakeshore-rv.com to find out more about what $41,000 and under can get you into a toy hauler, and around $330 a month is available to you. Look at this beautiful little toy hauler we have for you today. This 28.5-foot travel trailer with a big king bed slide out. We're gonna have an amazing weight coming in at half-ton towable. Big SUV, little truck, you're all set to tow 5,900 pounds. With nationwide financing and delivery, this camper could be yours. www.lakeshore-rv.com has over 200 options available, but I'd love to tell you more about our Outback Ultralites. Thank you so much. April Welch at Lakeshore RV, 231-788-2040.